From crumbs to crackers, coffee to sriracha, at some point everything gets on the floors. Sure, you can scrub and wipe and scrape, but who's got the time? Yeedi does. And with the newest mopping technology that not only scrubs at about 200 times a minute, but it cleans its own mop while it's running, there's a lot of floor cleaning tech packed in here.
In this video, I'm taking a look at the newest floor cleaner from Yeedi, the Yeedi M14 Plus. I'll take a look at what you're getting with this robot, the special features, and the cleaning technology it has, specifically the newest mopping tech known as the Osmo Roller Instant Self-Washing Mop.
I'll put it to the test by running it through my special battery of floor cleaning tests. Then I'll wrap things up with both the pros and the cons of this robot so you can see if it might be right for your home. I would like to say thank you to Yeedi for sponsoring this post. While the company has paid me for my time, it hasn't told me what I have to say or can't say, and I got to test the robot as I wanted, so you can consider these thoughts all my own.
One of the things people dislike about robot vacuums is that they can look kind of industrial sometimes. Yeedi has been working to soften and beautify the design of its robots to better blend into our homes.
In a soft white finish with rose gold accents, Yeedi M14 Plus uses what Yeedi calls aerospace-inspired body lines with more curves and softer design touches. From the subtly recessed top surface to the gently rounded edges of the water tank handles, every detail is made for easy-to-use comfort and good looks. This new design is more than just looks, though, as Yeedi designed the body of the robot to also cut down on noise levels. I can definitely confirm this is one of the quieter robots I've had in the house lately. Plus, with this one, you can actually dial the suction power up or down, which can lower the noise even further if you need to. I want to start though with the mopping because this is the biggest upgrade and it's going to make the most noticeable difference when you use it in your home.
The Yeedi M14 Plus gets a huge mopping upgrade and it actually joins the Ecovacs D-Bot X8 and X9 flagship vacuums in using the new Osmo Roller self-cleaning mopping system. This system does away with the dual plate spinning mops, which can actually spread messes around your floor.
I've done tests on these two types of mops, and you can see here the dual spinning pads have a tendency to smear, not scrub, but when I run an Osmo roller mop over it, like the one in the Yeedi M14 Plus, you can see it not only cleans better, but it cleans up the mess the old technology left behind. Let's see how M14 Plus cleans. With something like spilled coffee, Yeedi M14 Plus is easily able to roll over it and wipe it up cleanly. But if you're wondering how it tackles thicker or sticky messes, that spinning mop has some power. With 16 spray nozzles which constantly wet the rolling mop with clean water while it spins at 200 RPMs and generates 4,000 pascals of suction, it's easily able to power away thicker spills like sriracha sauce, mustard, or ketchup. While it's running, the roller mop also kind of squeegees itself, removing dirty water into another tank so it doesn't get spread back across the floor. And you can see that when I send it over other spills like coffee or soy sauce, the liquid doesn't get smeared around or pushed out of the way. The roller mop sponges it up and then rinses it from the roller so it can keep cleaning with clean water. The other bit of tech in here is how it tackles edges. The M12 Plus's True Edge Adaptive Edge Cleaning has been upgraded to level 2.0. True Edge Cleaning allows the roller mop to extend itself and reach right up to edges. Take a look at how it cleans around furniture as one example. The edge sensing and reaching mop means no matter what's in its way, it can clean to within millimeters of baseboards, toe kicks, and even furniture legs. That's not just impressive tech, but it actually means less touching up from you. Of course, this robot is also a vacuum, and Yeedi M14 Plus is joining the ranks of super powerful robot vacuums like the Ecovacs T80 Omni with 18,000 pascals of suction power, which is really high. To test out the vacuuming in a robot, I always run the same set of tests. I'll spill random bits on both carpet and hard floors. You can see how well it's able to tackle vacuuming on the floors, gobbling up about 99% of everything it came across. On the carpet, the vacuum performs easily as well, and here it inhales things like spilled oatmeal easily. When vacuuming carpets and rugs, the robot will also lift its mopping roller by a few millimeters and stop it spinning, all to keep it from dampening your carpets.
I was also glad to see Yeedi bring in Zero Tangle 3.0 technology to this robot as well, which is a huge improvement over the older system.
This feature uses a V-shaped roller brush with 45-degree angle V-shaped bristles, which are essentially able to comb hair off the rollers. This refined brush helps funnel any hair the vacuum encounters through the middle area of the brush where the bulk of the suction power is concentrated. A big part of this new technology is also found in the new anti-tangle side brush, which is a significant departure from the classic three-pronged spinning brush design. The new dual arm design resembles more of a wing, and it solves the hair tangling problem by swooping hair towards the suction inlet instead of just wrapping it around the brush. To test this out, I ran the robot for a week and I sprinkled some extra hair from my last visit to the hairdresser to really challenge it. As you can see, despite one long-haired human and 2 dogs in the house, plus that fistful of extra hair, when I flipped it over after a week, there is no hair on either the corner brush or wrapped around the roller either. One of the great things about Yeedi M14 Plus is it can take care of most of the necessary maintenance for you. With its auto-emptying and recharging base, the bot is always ready for work. When it's done cleaning, it will empty its onboard dustbin, refill its water tank, and empty the dirty water. After that, it washes its roller mop to keep it fresh and clean using hot 75 degrees Celsius water and then using warm 45 degrees Celsius air for speedy drying. This helps keep the base station from smelling musty too.
The Yeedi M14 Plus really feels like a flagship robot vacuum product, but at a much smaller price. This budget beast really packs a punch without boring a hole through your wallet. Let's go over both the pros and the cons of this robot so you can see if it's right for you.
On the pro side, with flagship technology like the Osmo Roller Instant Self-Washing Mop, it's on the leading edge of cleaning. Plus, with high-powered suction, the vacuum is as effective as the mopping. With its space-inspired design and soft curves, it aims to be a robot vacuum you don't mind having on display. And with its multi-purpose base station, which recharges, empties, and refills, plus washes and dries the mop, there's hardly anything for you to do. Of course, this robot also boasts all the standard technology and features of a robot vacuum, like quick and easily home mapping, easy room-specific scheduling, as well as the ability to make adjustments to all of your cleaning settings from suction power and noise level to how much water washes your floor. So what are the potential downsides? Typically, I find people's biggest concerns are where the base station might be placed, since it is sizable and does require a plug. Generally speaking, people might also be wary of the price, but with so much advanced technology at a lower than average price point, you're definitely getting a lot for less money.
In short, I can definitely recommend the Yeedi M14 Plus robot vacuum and mop for you, and so can Rainey here. It regularly sells for about $13.99 US, and you can get one from Amazon. And be sure to check the description for links to special pricing and current deals, as well as a promo code just for my viewers. And if you want to check out some other Yeedi innovations, I have reviewed many. You can see some alternatives or check out what sister brand Ecovacs is up to right now.